Doesn't have to be. Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll delve into the art and science of Instagram influencer research. First, we'll explore the current demand for Instagram influencer research skills. In the digital marketing landscape, these skills are becoming increasingly essential. Brands and businesses are actively seeking individuals capable of navigating the vast world of Instagram influencers. Next, we'll delve into the basics of influencer marketing. Understanding its significance in today's advertising world is critical in grasping why it's so essential to find the right influencers for your brand. Armed with this knowledge, we'll then move on to mastering influencer research. You'll gain insights into key strategies for identifying and selecting influencers who align with your brand's values, target audience, and marketing goals. We'll give you an overview of the course content, outlining the skills you'll acquire and how they can be applied in real-world scenarios. You'll also explore the competitive landscape on Fiverr for Instagram influencer research services. This helps to understand what others are offering and how you can differentiate yourself. We'll then delve into the crucial information you need from clients for effective research. This includes understanding their brand, their target audience, and their marketing goals. From here, we'll explore the different categories of influencers, from micro-influencers to celebrity influencers, and how to leverage each category effectively. One of the most critical aspects of influencer marketing is understanding the concept of engagement ratio. This metric offers insights into how engaged an influencer's audience is, and therefore how effective they might be in promoting your brand. Next, we'll teach you how to generate impactful hashtags for Instagram campaigns, a skill that can greatly enhance the visibility and reach of your posts. We'll guide you step by step on organizing client information using spreadsheets. This is key to managing multiple clients and campaigns simultaneously. We'll then unlock strategies for effective pricing in influencer marketing, helping you to maximize your budget. Throughout the tutorial, we'll walk you through practical insights into executing influencer research tasks on Fiverr, and how to use external tools for validating engagement ratios and ensuring accurate influencer metrics. The tutorial will also explore techniques for conducting research on Instagram influencers via YouTube, and using alternative methods to check engagement ratios. And as a bonus, we'll provide access to ready-to-use templates to enhance efficiency in managing influencer marketing campaigns. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a firm grasp on Instagram influencer research, ready to take your digital marketing skills to new heights. So, are you ready to dive